Audit preparation means getting the business ready before the auditor asks for the evidence. That includes reviewing controls, organizing documentation, identifying gaps, and making sure that the business can explain how its systems are protected. MDL can support preparation of cybersecurity, compliance, cyber insurance, vendor security reviews, CMMC, NIST, HIPAA-related security reviews, and other technology-focused assessments. We help define the scope, gather evidence, review policies, validate technical controls, close gaps, and prepare the team for the kind of questions they may be asked. MDL can help answer technical questions, provide documentation, explain the environment, and support remediation if the auditor identifies areas that need improvement. Cybersecurity can feel overwhelming, but it does not have to be confusing. At MDL Technology, we help businesses understand the risks, put the right protections in place, and build a practical security program that supports the business.